You say lah, you chef.
Okay, good evening ladies and gentlemen. This is a cooking class especially designed for Jason, and then this is going to be a fried rice Tai Pai Tong style. So we're going to the like food store, and then Jason here will follow the style of cooking using Chinese wok, very hot, be careful, and also the cooking here. Okay. Right, so all we need here, very simple for fried rice. We have egg, we have oil, we have rice, and maybe we have some one of the favorite nasi goreng kampung perenca or nasi goreng Cina. Okay, just a simple process of how we should do this. First of all, you take oil after the what you call this wok is already heated up. Okay, that's it. Be careful. That's it, and then we need to break an egg into this. Very simple. This is called egg. Okay, just break the egg. Okay, that's it. When the oil is hot and the quality is hot, it will give you a very nice slippery mold to the wok. Okay, we just add in about 2.5 cups of rice. Okay, that's it. And then we flip it. And with a medium fire, can you hear that? That's fire. See? Alright, and then we add in the nasi goreng Cina or nasi goreng kampung from Maggi. So this is a good product, just add in all. Okay.
For 2 bowl of rice, 1 packet.
Yeah, for about 2.5 cups of rice. It's 1 packet of Maggi nasi goreng Cina or kampung. You can add whatever you want. Like let's say for example some protein, some prawn, some chicken. Then you need to flip this nicely. Okay, that's how we do it.
So why we put the egg first?
Egg first, you see, if you put the egg later, it will become nice. The egg will not be seen. Look at that. It is very nice. Huh? You flip it. The idea is to flip it further. Maybe it's too dry, just add in a bit of oil. That's it. Okay, very nice. That's it. Can you see that? Very fast. In less than 1 minute, we have nasi goreng already. So that is what exactly Jason is going to fulfill his dream, to use Chinese wok in Tai Pai Tong to make fried rice. So we'll see if he can do it. Alright, and cut.